Okay, taxiing out.
Take off flaps.
Okay, taking off.
Gear up, flaps up.
No.
I'm gonna join you.
Okay.
No pass from the left.
What?
From the left.
Why from the left?
Left.
That's
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hold
All
on
right.
to you.
Okay, I'm doing a pass from the right,
Okay.
the way everybody else is. Kazer's being a rebel.
No, go ahead. All repaired? We got two alleys going up.
Except for Castro, he usually hogs the sky completely.
Yeah, look at him.
I mean, I don't know what the hell's going on up there. What is that shimmy in the tail, Castro?
There's
Is that
Carl.
a mating dance on the plane's part?
Hello, Carl.
Carl, is this the second flight?
No pass.
Okay, I'll be behind you. Yeah, it's a different flying plane, but it flies really good. Not super fast, but it just looks really cool.
Yeah. But once it gets up there, it's doing okay.
No, it does good. Just it seems like you can enjoy it as it goes by instead of going so crazy fast.
White knuckling it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, isn't this crazy thinking of the way the F-5 was before?
Right to the left.
I could never slow it down. I had to go fast the whole damn time.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh, shit. So they kicked hard down when they went to transit.
Woohoo!
5, 4, 1. Time expired.
Really weird wind over there.
I gotta cross the runway. Okay.
Please. I've used like below half throttle this whole flight. Yeah, F-5 could never do this before because it was too heavy. Change the fan out. So the fan's a lot lighter and has more power. Because before it was a dog. It was fast, but that's all it could do. Alright, Carl, I'm coming under you.
Okay.
Okay, fast low pass from the right.
over 1.
Okay, landing right.
48.
Okay.
Landing right.
Quiet.
I'll be landing behind you. There you go, nice. Okay, landing from the right.
I'm way down there.
Okay.
Ready, you're landing?
Yes.
Okay, all yours. Slate crossing.
Woohoo!
Flaps up.
Go ahead. All right, runway clear. That was fun.
Thing's pretty, Carl.